Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and I would love to share with you some treasures that I have made for this Christmas this year, Christmas crafting. It's been so much fun, and as you see, I've got a bunch of projects here, and I just want to get into sharing with you what I have made. Now, a lot of these have been made with the digitals from the Shabby Art Boutique Facebook group. Carrie Ann is such a kind woman, and I enjoy her Facebook group very much. She's from Australia, so who doesn't love listening to that accent? Love the accent. So, anyway, I love her artwork, and so the majority of these projects are hers. Let me show you this here, though. This is from Tamika Sending Smiles, her one of her Christmas digital collections, and I made this Scrap Diva Designs K-Cup box, and I've just got some of the Mods chamomile tea in here. So much fun, such a cute collection. You should head over to her Etsy and check it out. And then I used her steampunk collection to make this 3D telephone box. If you've seen my posts, you know I've just discovered that I can actually make it. I've had the die for a while, and it took me a little while to find a tutorial. I was a bit stumped, and I'm so excited with how it's come out. And it opens up this way. You could cut out another piece, and there's even some layering pieces, but I just went with this here, and I've used some of her cut aparts, the goggles, the elephant, and then I used the paper collection and I'm not sure if this is a Chaos Crafts die or Scrap Diva. But I used that die. I used this leaf die, and then these cut out pieces come with the collection for layering. And so here we go. Oh my gosh, I love how it came out. And here's the one that I made with Carrie Ann's collection from this November, the November collection that she created. And so a little bit different. And I used rose gold or antique gold paint and went over it to shabby it up, and art stones and diamond dust and the cut aparts from Carrie Ann's collection. And then I can open this up. Here is the little pocket folio that I recently made. I just made it the other day and posted. And this opens up. And this wood chipboard piece is from Trace Jolie Kits, Kimberly Hurd's store. And so this is how it opens up. Oops. And it's just a fun little Happy Mail pocket. With the little envelope. This is one of her cut aparts. The stamp is from the collection, a cut apart Santa and the candle circle. And then there's roses and holly, and it's just a beautiful little collection and keeps some room in your heart for the unimaginable. So and the little Santa was in the collection, and that candle, the star. I made the poinsettia dies with a Chaos Crafts die set. So I made it so it would fit inside here, like so. And I can put pictures in it if I want to. So there's that. And let's see here. From Shabby Art Boutique, a mini calendar. And this is what this one looks like. And I cut out all of the pieces and I glued them together. Here's what the back looks like. and the full year is here, and you just rip them off when you use them. Obsessed with diamond dust this year, and so I'm gifting this for Christmas. I was also wanting to use some dies that I hadn't gotten around to using too much. So here's the KF Crafts backpack. And there's lots of room for some embellishments. And here is a envelope box that I made. There we go. And Carrie Ann had a digital for this Mussy Tussie, or Tussie Mussy, whatever you prefer. And so I used all of her cut aparts and this ribbon to make this. And then I had these little balls, and they reminded me of the holly. So you can put a lot of like flowers or some little rosettes, candy, anything you could think of to fill that up. And then finally, I had this die for this little treat box. And I used the, oh my gosh, I think it was from October, this collection. Isn't the Gingy adorable? And this opens up. And it's an Alina, I think an Alina Cuts die set. So here we go. Here's just some of the projects that I have been making and wanted to share with. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Gumball machine. I forgot to show you the gumball machine. Here's the KF Crafts gumball machine. And I know you the cutout is usually on this side, but you know I did mine different. So it opens up, and here it is on this side. Here's the opening, and I was thinking it'd be really cute to pop some lights in here, and this opens up like so. Love, love, love. It was so much fun to make, and I used again Carrie Ann's collection from November. So oh my gosh, thank you so much, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of my projects, and I I am planning on doing a tutorial if you happen to get the telephone die set, and I hope that we can craft it together. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Please be kind, leave me some comments, and if you will consider a thumbs up and subscribing if you are not already a subscriber. And if you are, I love you bunches. Bye for now.